What is up, guys? What's happening? How's tricks? Welcome to Mombasa, Kenya. This place is amazing. We arrived the day before yesterday. I didn't vlog yesterday, just took a few clips. So, I'll give you a rundown. So yesterday, woke up from a sleep without being dead. And then we came out here to watch a man climb a tree to get some coconuts. Actually very nice. Coconut milk is milk, water, isn't it? Coconut water. It was real nice. Then a monkey came into the house and tried to rob my bananas. Come out and leave me fucking bananas, you bollocks! Leave me bananas! That same monkey also broke the stairs. Piece of the stairs, and we just didn't say anything because we're not going to say the monkey did it because going to believe that. Then we went into town. I didn't record it. We went in those little minivans. There was 18 people in it. Such an experience, and I was raging that neither my GoPro or William's GoPro was charged. And that was it. That was all yesterday. We went to eat in the evening. So today is special days. Currently everyone is still in bed. It is about 6:30 in the morning. Today we are going to Mombasa Marine National Park. Tell you guys about that in a minute. So that's the first thing. Second thing is today is the 13th of August, which means it is Will.i.am's birthday today. So yeah, current situation on mosquitoes, they're still biting me. In a few hours at 9 o'clock, a boat is going to pull up here. We are going to get on that boat, piggyback Father Anton onto that boat, and then we're going to go over there and out. And that is where the Marine National Park is. What are we going doing in the Marine National Park? We're going to swim. We're going out, we're going to the reef, we're going snorkeling, and hear a mosquito. Oh, it's just a fly. It's not for too long though, it's only for like 2 hours, so it's quite short, but today is a sexy ass day. It was kind of cloudy yesterday, very, very windy, but the breeze is like, it's constantly warm breeze. I'm a small bit annoyed at my stupid ass because I forgot to bring the bolts, nuts, screws, twisty things, pulley things, pushy things for my underwater housing for the cannon. So I can bring it underwater today, but I can't really do a lot with it. I can't zoom, I won't be able to hold it properly. It's going to be too light. We'll make do. I'll just bring it for maybe surface pictures, and I'll show you guys what we get on the GoPros. So, where are we staying? There. This place belongs to a friend of Father Anton, and he has very kindly allowed us to stay here. And it is sick. Like, the beach is here, the house is there. You're probably saying, Jack, why don't you go out into the beach? Show us the beach, show us the river, show us the river, show us the river. Show you a river if I could find a fucking river. Show us the sea. Well, you see, there are these gentlemen all over the beach, such as Blue and Orange Man, and these dudes down here who are very keen on selling me everything they have. So, seeing as this is private property, that's a fucking. Seeing as this is private property, they can't really come up here. They can talk, but they don't usually talk when you're up here. We were told by the guys inside that mind the house when no one is here, not to engage with them, so I won't. So that's the plan for today. We're looking forward to it. I haven't been in the water yet. Apparently it's quite warm. don't really believe it. Some of you may be interested. For those who know, I was in South Africa. Before I knew I was going to South Africa, I was actually going to come here to this marine reserve to do my internship for collage. I have to go in and fix my housing now. Right, Kate? Yeah, there's a few houses around here, a few apartments and stuff. Good morning, Kate. Damn it, it's too dark. Okay, Kate, damn it, it's just right now. I just realised that the little bag contained more than I thought it did, so this is completely useless. I brought it all the way to Kenya for nothing. Morning, William. Morning. Happy birthday to your face.
Thank you.
Do you feel 22?
Yeah.
22. Feel sick?
Yeah.
Are you looking forward to seeing some fishes?
Yeah.
I'm a new fucking chuba. See, all along here there's waves breaking, so that's where the reef is, which means in here is very, very calm, but at night and stuff you can just hear constant roar of the ocean, which is very nice to sleep to. It's also very nice sleeping beside William.
Thanks.
Excited for looking at fishes?
I'm excited for looking at fish.
Is clean your shit up, people. What's up, guys? We are back.
What's up?
I got scraped. What? Hey.
Yeah. See, like this is like a circle. It's wire in the middle. Turn around.
Oh yeah. I got touched by coral or scraped by coral on my back. Can y'all see my back? And on my leg as well. So I'm feeling gonna die.
Okay guys, what's up? It's Kate. No vlog takeover, just me showing you my brother gone for a run. Hello, buddy.
I didn't fit there.
Huh? No, thank you. Last Sunday. Welcome to Kate and Jack's gym sessions, where Jack does all the work and Kate shows you Jack doing all the work.
What's up guys? We have come to a crocodile farm.
It's quite hard. And this one is friendly. Just do it like this. Big hard.
Feeding time at the farm. So there we go. That is the park. Always cool to see a crocodile. How's it, guys?
How's it?
I'll tell you how it is. It's too fucking dark. Here I am. We didn't do a whole lot after whatever we last videoed. Can't even remember. Went to eat in the celebration of the birthday fellow. And now we're going to sleep. Tomorrow we are going to what is tomorrow?
Dolphin day tour.
A dolphin day tour. So we're going out looking for dolphins. If we find them, take pictures. If they're hanging around, we get to snorkel with them. Happy birthday, William.
Thank you, Jack.
Don't let the mosquitoes bite you in the face.
I won't. Not the face.
Like
Not
that?
the face.
That'll do, guys. I'll chat to you guys in the mornings. Mornings. Much love, keep the faith. I will chat to you beautiful humans tomorrow. Love you guys. Goodbye.